Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be planting the Anubias Nano Golden. I thought I'd make a video for you guys. So I first start with the Volcano Mineral. This is from GBL. It's a great substrate, high in nutrients. So basically what happens is that you will put that and you will add a reptile sand or fluval stratum, biostratum. Basically, what happens is that the roots will attach to these rocks, and again, it'll give the plant some more nutrients. I do spray. I didn't show it in the video, but I did spray the Volcano Mineral before this. Again, high nutrients before planting. So again, you want to plant the plants not too crowded. You want to leave some space. I did some cuttings. I cut out some of the bad leaves as well. I did some trimmings on the roots. Again, it allows the plant to readjust, especially if the plant was grown summers. This is grown emers. So again, you want to just do some trimmings just to allow the plant to readjust. And I think overall the plant will be healthier. So here I'm just showing, don't cover the rhizome. You want to make sure the rhizome is exposed to the light. This is Osmocote, I think, Osmocote. I'm butchering the words, but it's just a little fertilizer. So I add one of those pebbles to each of the plant, and every 2 to 3 weeks I'll re-add another one. You don't want to add too much because then you can get some algae. Again, this is emer, so there's not going to be too much algae, but you don't want to over fertilize your plants. Then I did a little quick spray here, just to again keep the plant nice and moist. And then I put the humidity dome from GrowAce. I found these are the best humidity dome. You can adjust the airflow. I like to keep it a little bit open, especially at the beginning, just again for the plant to get that oxygen. And then I put it under the light here. The plants are going to get probably 8 hours of lights a day. I keep the light at the lowest setting. So that's the video. I'll see you guys next week, and I hope you guys learned something.